If you want to learn how to trade just like me, join the community, click the private Discord link, sign up through this membership level, and you will gain access to weekly group mentorship calls for free. Guys, if you haven't already, make sure you're following me over on Twitter. This is where I'll post further updates throughout the day. I'll also post some testimonials from students, the profits that they're making in the Discord community, just if you're interested. So let's head over to this post from earlier today. This is one of my students that started earlier this year. I think it was around the summertime, and this here, Crypto Binger. My students are killing it. I love seeing people changing their lives. It's super duper fulfilling, everyone. So Crypto Binger here it's not Binger, he told me it's Binger, took action on the course and Discord, where he joins 2 weekly group mentorship calls to implement my strategies. With everything that he's learned from the course and from the group mentorship sessions, he understands that there are cues in my YouTube updates, and so he uses that to that TA to profit essentially. So if that's something of interest, and you want to profit like Crypto Binger over here, look, holding this 5x trade from Louis DCA level, that's 400% move. But he has been holding it for a long time, guys, to be honest. So it's about having that patience. Look here, Quant, look at the entry on Quant, $84. We're currently sitting at 114 today. So with 5x, that's 180%. So if you want similar gains, message me, use the links down below in the description of this video. Reach out to me on Twitter, so just follow me here, but I'd suggest using the links down below or head straight to the website. Welcome everyone to another Nakamoto games update. As you've already seen in the title, Naka must reclaim this key level to avoid a bearish signal forming. We've already got the bearish signal. We're going to run through all of that in today's update. We'll first start off with the bullish double bottom that we had on the 200 EMA. Make sure if you haven't already to like, subscribe, comment and share. We're under 200 subs away from 7.5k, so I definitely think that we could hit that before the end of this year. Continue to share these videos and hopefully that's achievable. If you want to get educated, whether it's the Discord community for the weekly group calls, my investment, many alts that we're talking about, even sub 1 million market cap, just use the links down below for that, the education, whether it's the mentorship, the ebook or the course. And yeah, hope to see more of you joining the community. Now let's dive into this Naka update. So first of all, we'll start with the bullish signal that we saw here at the 200 EMA. Remember, we were suggesting that this is the bottom of our uptrend, and if we want to go ahead and lose it after creating this wick, you need to not only lose the 200 EMA but also the wick here at $1.58. And so without seeing any body candles closing below the 200 or this wick, we're not bearish. We're just resetting this uptrend, coming back to the lowest point of support in this uptrend, the lowest bottom of this, pretty much the lowest bottom while we are still bullish. And then from here, we need to reclaim the moving averages and form a bullish cross. Now, this is where the bearish signal appears, because we have been in a bearish cross, right? That usually suggests we're coming to the 200 EMA. Pattern complete, formed a bullish pattern, broke out, reclaiming the moving averages, and then what you need to see at that point is confirmation of support on the moving averages, and unfortunately we fell back through. This is called an EMA repel because we need to see a bullish cross, and that did not happen, suggesting that this move up for the moment is false. However, when we go over to the daily time frame, it might look a little bit clearer to you guys that it might not be bearish actually. So although we didn't get a bullish signal, a bullish cross, we've essentially invalidated this pump over here. Now we've reset the market again by coming down to this key level of support, and we're attempting the breakout. So if we do actually see this reclaim of the 0.5 fib level, $1.87, then that's all good. But again, we need to eventually see a bullish cross forming. So we've invalidated this initial push out by not getting the crossover. This is called an EMA repel. You get slung back underneath, where we've reset the trend again, having another go at breaking through. On this breakout, it must form the bullish cross and hold it as support for the continuation to an eventual break of this high to the next technical targets that we spoke of in yesterday's update: $2.40, $2.50 and $2.69, all to be expected up ahead. If we again reclaim the moving averages, actually form the bullish cross on the 4-hour time frame, and then boom, there you go, we should get that continuation after that point. Now I'm going to scale over to the daily time frame because it will actually bring us some more confidence that maybe we are going to invalidate that bearish signal, the EMA repel. So when we're on the daily time frame, I can very clearly see some patterns forming. So some bearish ones: shoulder, head and shoulders. This is going to be your neckline over here. yeah, something like that. And right now we've lost it, reclaimed it, lost it. So validating the pattern, invalidating it, validating it. However, when we came back down again, and yes, we lost the neckline as support, it should have held right there on the 0.5 Fibonacci, what we were already saying on the 4-hour time frame. And that was when we had that scare where we reset it again. And look where we actually caught support, on the 20 daily moving average. Now remember, on the 4-hour this was not here, and so the fact that we actually confirmed it as support with yesterday's daily candle is a great indication that we're going to attempt a breakout to the upside, breaking through this area, because this is the high that we dumped from. We've respected this uptrend by confirming the 20 daily moving average, so looking for uptrend continuation, which would be breaking this most recent high, and eventually that high targeting 240, 250, 269. And then by getting this pump over here, reclaiming the golden pocket, we create the reversal wave. That's when all of these targets I just mentioned become valid, and then we're waiting for the 1 fib level to break. The question is, how do you know that's going to break? As long as the 0.5 $1.87 continues to hold, once the reversal wave has been created, we can do whatever you want in this area. It doesn't matter. Just as long as $1.87 holds, we will eventually break through and continue to these technical targets for Nakamoto games. Guys, that's pretty much it from me today. Hopefully that was informative enough for you. Please don't forget to like, subscribe, comment, and share. We are under 200 subs away from 7.5k. Thank you for the continued support on the channel. If you want me to teach you how to learn to trade, I'm here to 10x your learning curve. So you'll have all the tools you need to become a self-sufficient trader. You need to just go ahead and memorize everything and implement it into your own trading. Pretty much, it's down to you. I have all the tools you need, but it's down to you to have the dedication, consistency. If you believe you have that, reach out to me. The links are down below. Head over to Twitter and private message me there, or head straight to the website and pick what option you want to go with, whether you want 2 weekly group calls over in the Discord community, where you'll find my investments and a whole bunch of students sharing trade ideas as well in there. If you want to take action on the one-to-one mentorship plan, where it's just me and you, I'll throw in my course and 2 months free in my Discord community. If you just want the course, if you just want the Discord, or if you just want the ebook, it's down to you. Just go to the website. More information will follow over there. Cheers everyone. Links down below. I've got a whole bunch of educational content, and over here on the website you can see loads of other people taking action recently. If you want to get educated, simply scroll underneath the video, click take action or Linktree, and click the option that you want to read more about, or private message me on Twitter. Let's start off with the ebook. This is where you can take action on my ebook, teaches the exact strategy. Head over to the membership level if you want to become a Discord channel member, where you have access to 2 weekly group mentorship calls, or if you want to take action on my 6-hour long pre-recorded course, there's an offer here, and you do get Discord chat for 2 months totally free. Here is my beginner one-to-one mentorship plan, which includes 3 hours of my one-to-one help, the course, and 2 months free in the chat. And there are some other plans here for 5 or 10 hours of my one-to-one help. Use the links down below to private message me on Twitter, or head straight to the website using one of these links to take action. Cheers.